Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic kitchen gadget that coffee lovers and spice enthusiasts will definitely want to check out. We found the BLACK+DECKER one-touch coffee and spice grinder and thought it was worth sharing with you. You can find the link in the description below to check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the BLACK+DECKER one-touch coffee and spice grinder? This compact yet powerful grinder is designed to make your grinding tasks effortless and efficient. Whether you're looking to brew the perfect cup of coffee or spice up your culinary creations with freshly ground herbs and spices, this grinder has got you covered. Now, let's talk about the standout features that make this grinder a must-have in your kitchen. First off, it boasts stainless steel blades and a durable grinding bowl. These sharp blades are engineered to last, ensuring a uniform grind with every use. This means no more uneven coffee grounds or inconsistent spices, just a smooth and consistent texture that enhances your flavors. One of the most appealing aspects of this grinder is its intuitive one-touch push-button control. This feature allows you to easily customize the grind consistency to your liking, whether you prefer a coarse grind for your French press or a fine grind for espresso. With just a simple press of a button, you can achieve the perfect consistency every time. Safety is also a priority with the BLACK+DECKER one-touch grinder. It includes a lid-locking safety feature that ensures the blades only turn on when the lid is securely locked in place. This means you can grind your ingredients without worrying about spills or accidents, which is especially important when you're working with delicate spices or hot coffee beans. Another impressive highlight is the 30% better grinding capability. This grinder is designed to help you achieve that uniform grind that is essential for brewing a delicious cup of coffee. Whether you're grinding coffee beans, herbs, spices, or grains, the BLACK+DECKER grinder makes it simple and effective. So, who is this product suitable for? The BLACK+DECKER one-touch grinder is perfect for coffee lovers who want to experience the rich flavors of freshly ground coffee. It's also great for home chefs who enjoy experimenting with different herbs and spices in their cooking. If you love making your own spice blends or enjoy the aromatic experience of grinding your own coffee, this grinder is an excellent addition to your kitchen arsenal. Let's explore some practical use cases for this grinder. Imagine waking up in the morning and enjoying the rich aroma of freshly ground coffee beans wafting through your kitchen. With the BLACK+DECKER grinder, you can easily grind just the right amount of beans for your morning brew. Or, if you're preparing a special dinner, you can quickly grind fresh herbs to enhance your dishes. This grinder can also be used for making fine flour from grains, giving you the freedom to experiment with various recipes. Overall, the BLACK+DECKER one-touch coffee and spice grinder is a versatile and user-friendly appliance that can elevate your cooking and coffee experience. Its durable design, safety features, and customizable grind options make it a fantastic choice for both novices and experienced cooks alike. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.